What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a look at Elrond here and it does look as though it is having a pretty tasty correction along with the wider market. Obviously we've had this black swan event-ish thing come along with Evergrande essentially, going into default, and it looks like that company is absolutely collapsing, which is kind of leading the stock market down, and then that's in turn leading the crypto market down. Markets across the globe obviously having a bit of a correction today, 3 or 4% down. In the wider markets, S&P 500 is down 400 points I think, which is quite a large amount for the stock market. And you can see here the crypto market is getting affected as well. It looks as though essentially pretty much the entire market is just rolling over right now, coming down looking for some decent support. You can see obviously Elrond has been doing really well recently, really well. It's come all the way up, made an all-time high of around $300, but it did get rejected. We just throw the fib retracement tool on here. You can see basically what's been going on, something like this, where essentially, we broke our previous all-time high. We hit this psychological resistance of $300. We rolled over. We tried to hold support in and around our previous all-time high, but we lost it. We tried to hold support in and around this $220 level, which was our price target to the downside, but we lost that as well. Essentially because, we were just having this big wider correction in the market. And you can see from there, we also, we're basically making our way down to our next level of support, which is, this 078 extension level, isn't it? You can see here it's acted very strongly as resistance. And, we haven't even retested it as support yet. So it would make sense really to roll over here, test this as support, maybe chop it up like this, and then go for another run to the upside. Because, things have been looking fairly bearish. Bitcoin looks as though it's coming down, trying to test some support, trying to get that bounce. And, there's going to be a lot of people trying to push the market down. But if we do start to get a bounce to the upside, just remember that short squeeze could be absolutely crazy because lots of people are shorting Bitcoin right now. And if we do get a little bounce off support fairly soon, then we're going to be looking at some nice price targets for the whole market, especially Elrond. So basically what we're saying is it's easy to be bearish when things are going down like this. But sooner or later, you are going to find support. And it looks as though for Elrond, we're probably going to get a decent bounce at around the 078 here. And then obviously we have got the 55 moving average here as well, coming in at around, what is this, $175-ish, probably a decent area for a bounce. And then if we do have a massive correction in the market, which isn't unlikely considering how volatile crypto can be, we've got the 618 here at around $140 as well. If we do have a massive correction like this and then start to make our way up, we do think that this would be a very good place to get a bounce. Because basically what we've done is we've flipped our downtrend, didn't we? We got our high low, higher high low, higher low, higher high, and then we'll come back down and make another higher low, retest that previous level of resistance into support, and then get that bounce. That would be super bullish, wouldn't it? So basically, as we said, easy to be fearful and bearish right now, but we do strongly think that this is a very decent uptrend for Elrond. And we're just coming back down, testing support for that next leg up, aren't we? Like, it's all golden basically, as Coins Kid would say. So basically short-term price predictions then, we would expect a decent bounce in and around this $175-ish area on the 078, along with the 55 here. But if we do have a massive correction in the market, then we're probably going to be looking at coming down maybe to that next level, that 618 retracement, potentially down to around $140. We've got a decent area here, looking something like this, where if we lose the 078 here, you'd probably expect a bit of a bounce in this area for that next leg up basically. So things looking really bullish in our opinion. We're just coming down, having a bit of a correction. And then obviously longer term price predictions, we've got the 127 at around $372. We got our, the 141 at around 462. We've got the 161 at around 637. And then we've always got that 227 massive overextension at around $1,700, which would be around a 10x from the current price. But we do strongly think that we're probably going to see a very decent price target for Elrond by the end of the bull run, probably over $1,000. So that's it guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.